Hi guys, bright sunny day out here, but I'm going to do a 3 food challenge because that's what my friends are doing on YouTube. So we've got to find 3 foods in the kitchen and make a meal. Well, that's going to be quite simple because it's the time of day where I usually have a little snack. So we've got some tomatoes, and in the bread bin, oh, sorry about that noise, we got bread, so that's 2 foods. Easy. I know it's probably not in the spirit of the meals they've been preparing because they've been cooking things. I could toast it, I suppose, that could count as cooking, but I'm going to have cheese and tomato sandwiches. And salad cream. Oh, and not butter. So that'll be my 3 foods. I'll put the camera on the tripod because I can't do it with one hand. I do a few cooking videos, or at least cooking Grandad style videos, which are about this level of difficulty. So check the video description, there'll be a playlist there. There'll also be a link to whoever I decide to challenge to do their 3 food challenge. Alright, technical stuff. Couple of slices of bread. Probably best not to butter your thumb at the same time. Oh, butter doesn't count in the 3 foods, and neither does the salad cream. Yes. And some tomatoes. Should do. and some sour cream. Or you could use mayo, if that's what turns you on. Give it a good squeeze to make sure it's all stuck in place and picks up the juice that was on the bottom there. If you want to pretend you're delicate, you can cut it into quarters. And there we go. Job done. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.